Real simple build. Tons of cool air. Okay. That fits perfect. Okay, now I'm going to drill through the liner. Okay, and make sure your fingers are nowhere near that hole you're drilling. Okay. So one more time. 1.5 inch PVC pipe. These were 73 cents a piece. Drilled a 2 1/4 hole in the bucket and a 2 1/8 inch hole in the liner. Now all I got to do, cut a hole in the lid. Just kind of follow the curve carefully. Make sure to measure it to your fan, of course. Okay, now just take your fan, put it on top. You can do it like that too without the lid. Just mount the fan in the styrofoam lid. Either way works. Run smooth, quiet, relatively quiet. Good airflow out of all 3 outlets. Solar panel running the fan, full of ice. That's just one of the 15 watters, 1 amp solar panel, so it runs the fan fine. Based on previous experiments, I should get at least 5 hours out of this. Okay, right now I just have the frozen gallon in there, fits in there perfectly. There's one option too, using a stool. If you're, say, sitting on the couch or you want it more at face level, just throw this up on a stool and nice cool air. You can do that near the bed or a chair or whatever you want to do.